What's up guys? Another day and another experience, and for today's video, my experience natin yung unboxing ng DJI Osmo Action 4. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Okay, so ito yung package ng DJI Osmo Action 4 in a standard combo. Actually, dalawa to siya eh. Standard combo, and the other one is the adventure combo. So, dalawang package, and then magkaiba yung price niya, at saka yung magkaiba yung mga inclusion ng mga anong meron sa loob. Okay, so ako on my part, pinili ko yung standard combo lamang. So, tara, buksan natin to. Okay. Maikwento ko lang guys, mai-share ko lang sa inyo. Way back 2020, nung nag-start ako mag-vlog or mag-create ng mga videos, no. Dati ang gamit ko is iPhone 11. It was 2020, year 2020. At ang gamit ko lang is ito, yung earbuds na to as a microphone. And then pumalit ako sa, I think that was Canon. Yeah, Canon 600D. So matagal yung setup niya guys. Matagal mag-setup, at the same time ang bigat niya, at kakailanganin mo ng mga mag-change ka ng lens. Yung wide angle lens ang ginagamit ko, and then kailangan mo pa siyang lagyan ng external microphone, but hindi siya masyadong compact. So upon research, I come up with this idea na bumili ng DJI Osmo Action 4. Hindi naman ako lagi nagbo-vlog. Pag meron lang ako akong experience na gustong i-share, yun, so ginagawan ko siya ng video. Actually, way back 2020, gumawa ako ng video dito sa Riyadh on how to process the passport of a newborn baby, and then yung the birth certificate also of a newborn baby dito sa Riyadh. So after nung nag-start na ako mag-create ng video, and then sabi ng misis ko, why not bumalik ka sa pag-vlog mo, just to, you know, enhance the idea, thinking out of the box, yung mga ganun ba, maging creative lang tayo. So ayun, nag-decide ako na bumalik ulit at gumawa ng mga video and to share my life experience, and as much as possible dito sa channel ko, I will going to share all about life experience, the first-hand experience, at an informative information. So going back here, okay, ito siya, ganito na siya kalaki, and then yung sa loob niya is, you have this is the action camera. Ganito siya. Meron na siyang ganito. Okay. Yung QR code from DJI Osmo. Actually guys, binili ko to dito sa Riyadh. Okay, sa Abdul Wahid Company. Nagbebenta sila ng mga cameras. So doon ko siya nahanap, kasi ayokong bumibili sa Amazon. The price is 1,399. So that is the price of the standard combo. So aside from this, okay, meron siyang isang box pa sa loob, at ang kasama niya ay the frame. Itong frame niya, yeah, it's a metal. I think this one is a metal frame. Ito po yung kasama niya. Okay? And then So this is the, I think, mount yata to. So ito yung mga inclusion niya. Okay. May battery kasama din. Tapos may manual, user manual from DJI Osmo. Meron din siyang sticker yan na binigay. A USB charger, USB cord type C. Yeah, both ends are type C. Ito. Tapos meron siyang, I think this is a screw for the mounted. Yeah, this one. And this one as well. I think this is a magnetic, so saan mo ilalagay? Yeah, exactly. So ganun siya dapat. Okay. This is magnetic, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano magnet. I think this is the magnet. Okay. Yeah, both are magnets, so you just have to click. That's it. Yun. So ganyan siya. Okay. And then what else ang kasali ay a lens. Yeah. And this one. So yan yung mga inclusion ng mga Action 4 in a standard combo. So again, this will be my device pag gagawa ko ng mga content, pag gagawa ko ng video. Ito na yung gagamitin ko kasi sobrang compact niya. Hindi mo kailangan mag-ayos ng matagal. Okay, salpak ka lang, kailangan mo lang ng extension rod or kaya naman is tripod. So yun, you're good to go. So ulit, that is the inclusion of the standard combo of the DJI Action 4. So abangan nyo yung mga another video ko, and I'll be using this one as my primary camera. So again, thank you for watching and see you soon.